So welcome to another round. I guess 157. We'll do just the reading. My laundry is done. Oh well. Never mind. I have to look up the code, I think, to understand. So here's the multi-slot thingy. Right. Is this the thing I'm reading? It's the it's the conditional thing. Hey, Nightlight. Nice to see you again. So maybe where is it? Yeah, it have been. I have been away for a long time. I have been in the mountains. I did share like the pictures like yesterday or the day before. So it should be still in the VODs on Twitch. The weather was too nice. We had like 38 degrees Celsius, which is around 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So sweating a lot. It was demanding. We work like 11, 13 hours a day. In the mountains, but it was nice. I did like it. This is the multi-slot, but they don't have example. What is this? It's also not it. Seems like they don't have an example for the conditional. They did. There are some things which are angering. For example, like the Angular developer tools are not allowed to use in the company, and we are developing application in Angular. So, which is ridiculous to me. I'm trying to change that right now, so we'll see how successful it will be. Yeah, also like colleagues like asking me. And generally, I get the vibe that they are looking at me that I'm some kind of knowledge guy or something, which makes me a bit nervous because we all know how it is really, right? Still, I'm spending my weekend now to learn more about Angular. Zippy Content Directive. Oh, here it is. So where did you use it, huh? A reason? The reason given to me was that they don't allow open source plugins in their company. But I don't think like I wasn't speaking to a person who is actually calling the shots. Yeah, like a lot of the stuff like in the company is really bad. Including some like coding practices and so on, which I want to see if I will be able to change it or impact it in some way. And you can see like a lot of the people in there are like juniors, and they hired like a bunch of really cheap people from India out of the street in hopes that they will be like proficient, and they were not able to do anything. And the other developers kind of like now have to like fix the damage that have been done. Okay, so you have that in the add component, you have this directive. Okay, where did you did the example zippy template? That's here. Just laying in here like that. Where is the reference to it? This is the HTML. Where's the reference to it or something? Oh my god. It's not fun. Use content chunk to get the template of the projected content. So content child, you say zippy per content directive. It's called content. It is defined, we are sure, and this is the type. Okay, so where is it used? here it's be we had a single, then we have the multi-slot projection that we did understood, and here's Zippy. That's the conditional thingy. We have a look in here. Oh, maybe in here. So this is the multi-slot, and here's app example Zippy. Yeah, here's the. Okay, so I would like to go in here. Can I navigate? Okay. So up example Zippy, that's where. Here's the template just. It's not even here. What I would expect here to be another like component in here, the folder and stuff, but I don't see it in here, so it works differently. In the main template, we see this points to app example Zippy. Okay. But that's just the selector, right? That could be defined somewhere else. So we will have a look in the app component.ts. And we could search for this guy. Oh, fuck. Like, copy. And we go here, and now I'll try to find it. And we have one occurrence, which I don't see. Okay, it's nice that you found it. How about showing it to me, huh? Oh, here we go. So that's here. It's the component. Great. App example Zippy. Then we have the template URL. Okay, good. So we are getting somewhere now. This is the example Zippy template HTML. So that's this guy. We have ng content, and then we have ng if. We have the container. This is, I don't know what it is. Like some magic formula. This one I still don't understand. template then the directive. App example zip content. Okay. That's not here. Or it will be here, the ng template. And this will be displayed based on the logic in the app example zippy. The app example zippy. Where the fuck is it? Where's the fucking button? It's like ngIf. Okay, so not here. Not here. It is here. And it is app example zippy toggle. Something in here too. Here we go. Selector directive. Selector is a button with an attribute app example zippy toggle. Then we have this zippy expanded. The area controls, that's something for the speech, oh, well, vision impairments, right? I don't understand this host binding, but seems it looks like some other rabbit hole. I probably will ignore it. Let's just say it is a variable. Take zippy component. Oh boy. Maybe I will go sleep instead of going anywhere. I'm getting Why would you do that? Why would you use this host binding, whatever? During the change detection, And if a binding changes, it updates the host element of a directive. Where's the definition of this guy? It comes from constructor, huh? And I don't know why. The definition of the type, huh? Yeah. After this, I will be going sleep. I'm not going anywhere. Oh, the main takeaway, what I want to take away, it's already past what I'm doing right now. I wanted to know what is the difference between view children and the content children. And through inspecting that, I somehow end up in the content projection. Now I'm looking at a different way how to project the content. There are 3 ways, or 4. There's a single slot projection, multiple slot projection. Those are kind of like easy, right? The slot is marked in the application by, where is it? By this. Use ng content. That's it. This thing, you will write there whatever you want. It will be ignored. Now, if I change it in here, that works. If I change it in here, no one gives a shit. It doesn't have to be here at all. It doesn't matter. So this is the slot, right? If I want to like inject more things and put it into different places, there's a way to do it. It's select or something. Well, select. Right here is like the question will go second. And if you have a look into template in here, you can see that the question in here, this is how it's marked. It's a paragraph question attribute. And it says, is projection cool? It's the second. Oh, here is content projection cool. Let's see. This is the conditional. I would do it differently. All of this would be in one like parent container, and then I would have this button to change the like boolean in there, but they did it differently. They create a directive which toggles thing somehow. They also have like some variable, but they binded that somehow. Well, anyway, that's besides the point. It is possible. I can investigate later if I will be very interested in that. If I will be interested in that more. Projecting content in more complex environments. Yeah, so here is how you can select it. Or combination. Custom attribute question, that's exactly what we did, right? The project in there. Why the project content as different element? Might be a child of another element. Project as. Okay. Falling asleep. Yeah. Yeah, I'll stop this.